Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
Corner flashing is a little bit more tricky than an end dam because there's more going on. Okay, now this is going to apply to outside corners and inside corners as well. I'm only going to show you the picture of the outside corner. I think you can imagine the inside corner is also important. So you've got two pieces, and this is a field fabricated way to provide continuity of flashing around a corner. It's time consuming. I will tell you to cut and fold and bend and install and seal the overlap is a time consuming procedure. It cuts into the time that the bricklayers could be laying brick, all right? And I know that many mason contractors want their bricklayers laying brick, but I will tell you that this flashing detail is so very, very important that it's done the right way. Even as long as it takes to do it the right way, it is critical that it be done the right way. The union bricklayers understand that, and they will take the time that it takes to provide a good flashing corner. I know contractors, though, who are very sensitive to production, and some mason contractors buy these prefabricated corner boots or corner pieces that just drop right in so that they can save time and still have a good detail. So this is a great solution. I would say, though, if you want this, put it in your specs so that you get your contractors who bid on it, that they're all bidding the prefabricated corner pieces.